Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to view your Interac e-transfer history on Scotiabank. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username or card number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfers. Now on this page, you will see another tabs. Click on the tab that says Interac e-transfer. On this page, you will see a button for History and Pending. Click on the History and Pending button. Then a pop-up window will appear. There you will see the list of your Interac e-transfer history. That's how you view your Interac e-transfer history on Scotiabank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.